Won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you.
We're going to the beach this time, hopefully, and we just finally have a car to use. And today is Tuesday, the 15th, or 16th. 15th, yeah. Right? Today's the 15th?
Today's the 16th.
16th. A little bit of water for the time being until we go get our coolant. This is one of the classic oldies cars, the one with the windows. You see that? Say hello. Alright, we'll see you guys over there. The beach. We just got here, just got things ready in a little cute tent that we have here in the beach. My kid's a bit tired, my other kid. You need a nap? You need a nap, Papash? Look at there. Look at his daddy. Look at them. Look at him. He's on top of a shit. It's on top of a shit. Yeah. In the lunchtime. We're just having lunchtime. And these kids are very messy in here, I gotta say. Papa, you gotta keep an eye on your socks. Like I said, messy kids. Where's your lid? Where's the lid for this? Carne asada. We went to different beach locations so we could be able to make some carne asada. Ah, you little butthead. Here. No, he's complaining about the tapatio. He wanted a tapatio. Just giving a little sound and watching the view around. So tell him how does it feel now at least have somewhat of a car. Better.
It's okay.
All right. At least we'll get us to all the important things we need to get done.
Yep.
Especially for our kids. Our precious kids. Yeah, I can't believe it. He's turning 1 in the 25th. Ooh! Back up. Don't go near. I don't know what happened, but they just showed up. Here. Yeah, I don't know what happened. Oh, there's so much people. Oh, really? Do it! Looks like they got in a bike accident or something right there.
Being taken care of. And I got to.
Yep, very much. Well, it's full gas, you see that. And we left out of town because we want to go ahead and have fun in the beach day, but we're still surprised how full it is after driving around Tahoe. And Anyways, there's construction going on here.
Somebody passed away over
Up here?
Went over the hills. You see that? That's why they gotta rebuild that.
Seems like.
Just run this motherfucker over.
Well,
turning point.
So we just can't stop here and take a little break right there in the construction areas.
It's okay, we're gonna
Turn up!
turn up with my wine.
With his wine.
Oh shit, I lost my wine in the back. Message James and ask him if he...
Oh, don't do that. Wakey, wakey. We're having a little car trip, Papash. Yeah, Papash. You were napping, so now we're over here.
What the fuck? Shit you not.
What's wrong?
It is going down.
Now it's going down, huh? But damn, that thing is really good.
Woo!
Yeah, you see it going down. Now it's not literally on the line.
Yeah.
But yeah, I guess he wasn't joking about having a good gas for this car.
Right. Like, look at the distance we went from. We went from Carson City, driving around for at least 45 minutes, maybe an hour, and then taking off up to Tahoe. That usually goes
2 hours?
like at least half a tank on the RAV4. You know,
So
Toyota.
this is a classic car that's a Toyota Echo.
Echo, whichever one.
Yeah, with the
And then
Echo, I think. Yeah.
It's 2001.
It's a waterfall. Yeah. You like it? It's a waterfall, Papash. This is the water. I am taking pictures. Taking pictures while recording, you guys.
Oh, so cold! Take a picture from the view. Come down here. Oh no.
There, I
Here it comes. Why are you giving him no?